1928 Ford Model A Roadster. Price: $23,500. Location: Arizona, USA. The 1928 Ford Model A Roadster represents one of the most important transitions in early automotive history, marking Ford's shift from the long-running Model T into a more refined and modern driving machine. This particular example showcases the spirit of the late 1920s, combining simplicity, durability, and timeless design in a way that still captures attention nearly a century later. The exterior of this Roadster is finished in a striking manila brown over black color combination, giving it a warm yet classic vintage appearance. Its soft black convertible top allows for open-air cruising, making it a perfect representation of early motoring freedom. Every curve and detail reflects the functional design philosophy of its era, where style was born directly from purpose. The Model A was a major technological upgrade compared to its predecessor, featuring a 3-speed manual transmission and a reliable inline-4 engine paired with a Zenith single carburetor. These improvements made the car easier to drive and far more adaptable for everyday use, helping Ford maintain its leadership in the rapidly growing automotive industry of the time. The driving experience is raw, mechanical, and deeply connected to the road. With drum brakes, a floor-mounted shifter, and a straightforward control layout, this vehicle offers an authentic vintage feel that modern cars simply cannot replicate. Every input from the driver is direct, creating a sense of engagement that classic car enthusiasts truly appreciate. The rear of the vehicle features a traditional rumble seat, a charming addition that was highly popular during the era. It provides extra seating while reinforcing the playful and social nature of early open-top motoring. Alongside details like the double-bar bumpers, chrome accents, and 21-inch wire wheels, the car maintains a strong and elegant period-correct identity. The interior continues the theme of simplicity and function, with a bench-style seat, a 4-spoke steering wheel, and minimalistic controls designed for reliability rather than luxury. Despite its simplicity, the cabin delivers an honest and nostalgic driving environment that reflects the priorities of 1920s automotive design. The Ford Model A Roadster remains a highly desirable collector's classic today, admired for its historical significance and enduring charm. Offered at $23,500 and located in Arizona, this vehicle is more than just a classic car. It is a preserved piece of automotive heritage that continues to tell the story of Ford's early innovation.